How to buy Twitch live viewers. If you are wondering how you can buy live Twitch viewers, follow these simple steps to buy live Twitch viewers at the most affordable price. Go to FollowersPanda.com. Go to Twitch Services and choose the service you want to buy. In this video, I will show you how I bought live Twitch viewers. Once you click on the service you want to buy, it will redirect you to different plans the company offers. The Twitch Live Viewers PN starts from $6.80 and goes up to $187. You can choose a plan according to your need. In this video, I will be buying 25 live viewers for a day. Once you click on the plan you want to buy, you will be redirected to the checkout page where you have to check the plan and even switch the plan if you want. Then you have to add your Twitch username and your email ID. If you want to add 25 more viewers to your stream, you can tick on the box. Once you fill all the required details, tick on the Agree to the terms and conditions and then click on Proceed to checkout. Then you will have to verify your email. You will get a 6-digit verification code on your email. After entering the code, you will have to create a password for your account. Confirm your password again and then click on Proceed to checkout. After that, you will be redirected to the payment page. Confirm your order once again and then click on to Proceed to payment. You will have 3 different options for payment. You can either pay through your debit or credit card. You can pay through PayPal, or you can add funds in the wallet through crypto and then make the payment. Now I have already added funds in my account, so I will make the payment through my wallet. First, let's see how many live viewers we have on the stream right now. Currently we have 4 live viewers. Let's make the payment. You will see the order has been placed successfully. You can check the status of your order in My Orders. After the payment, wait for 2 to 5 minutes and you will see the live stream now has over 30 viewers. Thank you.